Hey friends, and happy Mother's Day! Welcome to Quality Time Crafts. My name is Morgan, and I'm so glad that you guys have joined me today. So, since this is my first video, I wanted to give a brief overview on why I started this channel. Last year, I became a first-time mom, and when she was born, it put a lot of things in perspective for me. I wanted to figure out a way that my daughter and I could spend quality time together and create memories that lasted a lifetime. And that's where crafts come in. So I've always loved art and creating things, and so that's why I made this channel. Today we will be doing a simple floral based craft for Mother's Day that I know all your mothers out there will love. So let's get started. Today we will be making a cupcake holder flower arrangement. When you're finished, it should look something like this. The supplies that you're going to need to complete this craft are cupcake holders, both large and small. Can be any color that you want. You're going to need colorful straws. I'm going to be using green. You're going to need a cup or some type of vase to hold it in. You're going to need colorful construction paper, hot glue, glue sticks, scissors, and sequins or some type of gems or pearls. So what I have here is I have my 3 cupcake holders. I've chosen pink, purple, and orange. I already have the pink and orange complete, so I'm gonna show you how I did that with the purple. So what you're gonna do first is you're going to take your cupcake holder and fan it out. And you're gonna take one of the small cupcake holders and you're gonna do the exact same thing. All right. So from here, we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut little petals along the edges. You can also do any petal shapes that you'd like. However, I am going to just cut along the liner for my petals today. Okay, do this one. So these make great keepsakes. I actually did this when I was a kid for my mother, and she still has it. So it's a fun, easy craft. So once you have those, so you can keep it to where the white part shows on the cupcake holder, or you can bend in your petals like so, so that the color side shows, and then the white one you can just keep it the same way. So what we're going to do is we'll have it and it will look like that. So I have my pink and my orange complete. So now I'll take my glue and I will put it in the center here, just like so. Then take the white middle, place it right there, push real hard, and then that's what you have. This makes a really pretty flower. So from here, I'll set my flowers to the side. You're gonna take your green construction paper and you're gonna take your marker and we're gonna draw some leaves. So I'm going to have where each flower just has one petal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to draw some petals like this. I'm gonna put a little tab on the end. Draw like this. And you can do whatever petal shape you want. These are just the shapes that I've chosen today. It doesn't have to be neat and organized or anything like that. And then what you want to do is you're going to cut along the inside of the line. That way your marker doesn't show what you've drawn with, whether it's a marker or a pen or pencil. Okay, got that done. You can shape and clean it up. Take your marker again, and then I'm going to just decorate it, make it look more like a little leaf. Just put a little line down the middle. You can add veins or whatever you want to your leaves. It's where you have the option to just get creative. So then from here, so what I've done is I've added just a piece of pink paper to match the petals on the back. I've done the same to the orange, so I'm gonna do the same to the purple. So I have my purple paper. I'm going to just cut a square that I need. Then I'm gonna fold my piece of paper hamburger style. I'm gonna take my scissors again, and this does not have to be precise or pretty, just going on the back. So just cutting out a quick circle or like an oval shape, just something to help give the straw some more support. So I'm gonna flip it over, take this, take my glue again, just press it on. Just like so. Alright, fix my petals. Okay. Now I'm going to decorate the inside of my petals. So in the instructions, I kind of told about how you can use anything you want to decorate the middle. Gems, sequins, pearls. I've chosen some sequins. So sequins are messy. Yes, they are. We know that. So I've placed them in little cup holders for now. Okay. So I'm going to take my glue. This is disappearing glue, by the way, so it won't turn up purple when it dries. So just going to place them on there. And you can use, they have these glue dots that you can buy. You can use those too if you want. You're really able to do whatever you want to. You can do as, I mean, honestly, you don't even have to do anything in the middle if you don't want to. You can also add your picture. That's fun too. Okay. So just gonna and so I'm gonna finish the rest of these and then we'll move on to the straw. Alright, so now I have my 3 flowers completed, all shiny, ready to go. We are going to take our straws. So I have the bendy straws. So the bendy portion, if you choose to use these, will go up to the top. So you're going to take a hot glue gun. You're going to just do a little line on the middle. Just place your straw there, like so. I'm using some sequins. Okay, I'm gonna finish up the other two real quick. So now I have the straws on. Because I chose to do the bendy straws, I'm able to move my flowers. So when I put them in the little jar that I have, I can arrange them better. So I'm gonna take those leaves that we made. So the little tab that I've asked to have drawn on here is gonna play a part in wrapping on the straw. So just a little dot will do. But I don't drop my glue gun. And then you will just glue in place wherever you want. I'm having to place my leaves a little higher because of the jar that I chose to put mine in. So there we have it. We have the flowers all ready. So I'm going to grab my jar with my scissors, and I am going to place them in here. And there we go. So a pretty arrangement for anyone special that you have for Mother's Day. Well, that's all the crafting fun we have today, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you all join me next week. I plan to have a new craft video posted every Saturday morning moving forward. Any feedback is appreciated. I have a goal to make these videos very informative and helpful, so any ideas that you guys have, please leave comments below. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon below if you guys would like to be notified whenever my videos are uploaded.